Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Once again, my name is Ghaneva. Today's episode is about mini importation. We are going to know how we can pay our suppliers either using agents or by our own self. Let me explain this before we even go into paying our suppliers. You need to first get your alipay verified before you can pay suppliers by your own self. And if you want to know how you can verify your alipay account, I have video on that, detailed video on how you can verify your alipay account. I'll put the video link in the description box so you get access to it easily. Or if you want to search it by your own self, you can search it on my channel. Go to my playlist and just search for tutorials on alipay. You will find the video there. And that's only when you are verified that you can pay your suppliers by your own self. And if you are not verified on alipay to pay your suppliers, you can let paying agents pay for you. But it's the same thing though when the paying agent is paying for you or when you are paying by your own self. Let me explain this. So when you verify your Alipay account, you will get the RMB, that's the Chinese currency, in your Alipay account. So you will buy the RMB from the paying agent into your verified Alipay account. And when you are not still verified on your Alipay, you will just give the supplier's contact or Alipay account, supplier's Alipay account to the paying agent to pay directly for you. So it's either you just get the RMB in your Alipay account and pay by your own self, or you give it to the paying agent, that's the supplier's Alipay account, to transfer the money into it. So it's the same thing. It's either you pay by yourself or the paying agent pay for you. So if you can't get your Alipay account verified, shipping agents can pay for you, and it's the same currency, the same money, the same amount. Nothing is the same thing. So this is how you can pay by your own self. Now when you are paying on the app, the 1688 app, with your Alipay account, you need to first bind your Alipay account with your 1688 app. I also have video on that because I go very detailed in that, and I can't just do both videos in this video. So I'll put the video link in the description box down below so you get access to know how you can bind your Alipay and 1688 together as well. Now, before we even end this video, I need to explain something to you. So I've put down payments into two main types. That's the indirect payment and the direct payment on the app. That's the 1688 app. So on the 1688 app, you can still have verified Alipay account, but you'll pay it indirectly. Indirectly means that you pay the suppliers not by linking your Alipay account to the 1688 app. You just charge the suppliers, ask for their Alipay accounts when you both has agreed on the amount you want to pay to the suppliers. Then you just ask the suppliers Alipay account and you transfer the money to the Alipay account. After that, you send screenshot to the supplier that you've been able to pay it. That's the indirect payment. And the direct payment is when you've linked your Alipay account to the 1688 app and you just pay it directly on the app. You add to cart the number of stuff that you want to buy and just pay it directly there. That's the two different things. So even if you haven't been able to link your Alipay account and you've been able to verify your Alipay, you can transfer it with the indirect payment, or you want your paying agent to pay for you, you can do it indirectly or directly payments. I hope you understand this. So this is all about how you can pay on stage 8 by your own self or with a paying agent. Now, if you want the paying agent, please do all to click the link in the description box as well. So you get access to this paying agent I use personally and I've shared with some of my students that I taught them mini importation as well. So click the link in the description box to get paying agent that I've used for several years, and they are really tested and trusted ones. And when you click on this link as well, I'll give you guidelines on how you will negotiate with these paying agents. I will also teach you about the rates. I will teach you about how you calculate the product in Chinese in your currency, so you know the amount you pay to the paying agent to get that amount of RMB. I'll give you guidelines on all those things. So do what, click the link and get access to this paying agent as well. So I hope I've been able to give you more insight on everything about paying your supplier. And if you don't understand anything that I said, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to explain it to you. Or if you have any other question or you want me to make videos about any other topic about mini importation, personal development, or lifestyle tips, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to do that if I can. Now, the part that we are all waiting. I will see you in the next video, right? And please do well to watch the video so you understand everything that I've said, because if you don't take note of everything that I've said here, you will end up getting things that you never ordered. You will end up getting confused on the app. So do well to follow everything that I've taught you here step by step. And before I even cut off the camera, I have a course that I teach you how to get this, how to get that, how to get this, and everything here, plus 3 months free mentorship from me. I'll guide you in mini importation as well, plus free techie suppliers that I'll give you as well, plus almost 50 plus suppliers, Chinese suppliers as well. So please do what, take a chance on this and get access to this course as well, so you'll be mentored by me as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to take your personal development journey very seriously and take care of yourself. Stay focused in everything that you do and believe in God that it will really sustain and it will really prosper. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please stay very focused. Ghaneva Edge, my aim is deep inside. Bro, success. Bye.